Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to put text on top of the image in Google Sites in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, come here on sites.google.com. Afterwards, you can either open a blank website or you can just simply open any of your existing projects. So for the sake of this video, I've opened this particular project over here. Now, as you can see, it already has the text and the image available. So we want to put the text on top of the image. So in your project, if you don't have the text box on the image box, you can just simply insert them by using this insert tab here in the right hand section. So in order to add or put your text on top of the image, all you need to do is you need to simply first of all select your text box. Then you just have to simply drag and drop it over here on top of your image, and then the image is going to have the text available. So it is going to look something like this, and now you can start typing anything and it will come something like this. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.